This video is sponsored by KFLOW. This right here is a KFLOW portable coffee maker, so you can make coffee anywhere, anytime. As you can see, it's really small, lightweight, and super easy to carry on the go. It has a really nice foldable design, and the press is easier, and you save more force with a pump on top. It's great to make iced Americanos, lattes, cappuccinos, and so much more. I personally like to just make coffee with it. And then you have a delicious cup of coffee. This makes an amazing gift, or you can buy it for yourself. If you are interested in purchasing this, you're welcome to check out the link below and buy it. Another thank you to KFLOW for sponsoring this video.